Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO faced a setback in positioning the NVS-02 satellite after the spacecraft's thrusters failed to activate. This satellite was launched on January 29 aboard the GSLV-Mk 2 rocket, marking ISRO's 100th launch from Shriharikota. However, the orbit-raising operations were not carried out because the valves to admit the oxidizer to fire the thrusters did not open. As a result, the satellite is currently in an elliptical Geosynchronous Transfer Orbit (GTO), which is not suitable for the navigation system. ISRO confirmed that the satellite systems are healthy and the satellite is still in the elliptical orbit. The space agency is working on alternate mission strategies to utilize the satellite for navigation in this orbit. After the GSLV rocket placed the satellite into the GTO, the solar panels deployed successfully and power generation is functioning as expected. Communication with the ground station has been established. The NVS-02 satellite is part of India's regional navigation satellite system, designed to provide accurate position, velocity and timing (PVT) services to users in India and up to 1,500 km beyond its borders.